Jerk and red stripe, man, Jamaica gone.
Hey guys, well, let's see here again from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm in the car park in Grange Hill in Westmoreland, Jamaica. Social Development Commission, SEC, they're having a special social services and entrepreneurship expo, they call it, for the small people here, the local people. And I'm here to share in the experience. Yes, I'm going to share that with you right now. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel though, remember I do a lot of videos like these. I cover these kind of events, sharing what I call the real Jamaica. And I don't want you to miss any of that. So hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification now. That way you'll stay updated on all my latest videos. Let's go! Guys, I'm seeing some of my favorite products. Some honey, Huge Drops honey, and I see what looks like face soap and castor oil and hair oil and lotion. She telling me lotion. So who is it?
Patricia Parchment.
And why are you here today?
Well, I'm here today to display my products and to see if I can get some sales.
And why should people buy your product?
Well, they are original, made by me, holistic lotions. These are made from beeswax, shea butter, olive oil, essential oil, castor oil also. The soaps are made from some of the main ingredients are honey and propolis. Propolis are good, and and the honey is good for your skin.
And these are all
turmeric.
These are all Jamaican products.
Homemade Jamaican products, yes, they are made right at Bluefields.
And Bluefields in Westmoreland?
Yes. So they are byproducts from the apiary because I'm a beekeeper.
You are a beekeeper?
Yeah, the president of Westmoreland Bee Farmers also.
Big up all beekeepers everywhere.
Yes, so and we are told to make from the ministry that we should make byproducts
of the honey
from the apiary, not necessarily honey because the propolis is not from the honey really, it's a byproduct from the bees.
Okay.
Yes, and the propolis is good for your skin. It put a coating on your skin, and the honey is also good. So you know, and I make a hair oil, which is
byproduct of the honey.
Yes, because
so everything here that you have is from the apiary?
Almost, except the
castor oil.
You can say the castor oil because the bees pollinate the castor oil.
I like it.
So, you know, yes.
I like it, sir. We need to talk. We're going to talk definitely about this honey business.
Yes.
Right, but this is all organic, natural stuff.
Yes, it is pure flora honey, no sugar or any additive in it. It's not pasteurized either.
All right.
Yes, so it's just straight from the comb to the extractor and to the bottle or in the bucket.
I like the way you design the honey. All of them, they seem very, very creative. But I noticed one of the soap look like actual.
Oh,
the honeycomb.
Yes, the honeycomb. This is the mold. Yes,
yes. That's cute. You have the bees on it and you have the comb.
Yes, and the comb. Yes.
Very nice.
Highlight that is this products from the apiary, you know.
Yes. Well, Jamaicans are creative. Actually, I was going to ask you, what makes Jamaica special?
Oh, we create our. We are original, you know.
We're original.
Yeah, we are original.
like it.
We are trendsetters.
Trendsetters. All the best. How can people get in touch with you if they're interested in any of your products?
543.
Local or overseas?
543-0092. I do have an email address, patriciaparchment125@gmail.com.
Do you have Instagram?
Yes, I am on Instagram also. Yes.
Patricia Parchment?
Yes.
What's the Instagram? Is that the Instagram handle?
Yes, Patricia Parchment. Yes, same thing as
Awesome. All the best.
Thank you.
Alright guys, so I ran into this lovely lady here and she told me that she know me from somewhere.
Yes.
Turn out that she actually know me from two places. Yes, she know me from here, My-Island, Jamaica, but she also know me from our little community back in Mobay there. So, my friend, what you have to show? What are you showcasing today?
I am showcasing Dig It Up Roots Tonic.
What?
Dig It Up Roots Tonic.
All right.
Yes.
All right. I'm gonna get to the name in a little bit. But what is it? What is in there?
We have in Ramon, Cheney root, dandelion root, All the good roots.
I know. I was gonna ask you why the name, but I won't ask you. Let me leave it. Let me leave it right there. What?
Yes.
There's root tonic.
Yes.
And why is your root tonic the best root tonic?
Because it energizes you.
So it's an energy.
Yes, it gives you a lot of energy. For example, you drink it in the morning. You don't drink it in the evening because you might not sleep.
Oh.
So it gives a lot of energy. So if you drink it in the morning, you just drink it one time per day.
What amount? What amount would I need to drink?
Just a mouthful.
A mouthful?
Yes, once per day.
You sure that's not dangerous, man?
No, man, it's very good.
Alright. I think I'm gonna get a mouthful when I finish.
Yes, yes.
Alright. And you said, hold on, you were telling me some of the stuff in there already?
Yes,
turmeric.
Yes.
Read it off, eh?
Yes, ramoon, turmeric, cheney root, basida, all different types
pimenta,
of
strongback, dandelion, all kind of something.
Yes.
Oh, man, this sounds dangerous. Alright. What else you have?
I have the arthritis tonic.
Arthritis tonic?
Yes.
Alright.
Yes.
Somebody now is counting them blessings now. So tell me about that.
This is a powerful one. You take 1 tablespoon of this arthritis tonic in 4 ounces of water, 1 time per day. So within 15 minutes, the arthritis, the pain, numb.
Oh, it numb it.
Stop it, yes.
Oh.
Yes, so you don't take another shot until the next morning, and if you continue, we get a great benefit.
Okay,
from,
so it's arthritis relief.
Arthritis relief.
All right, somebody's gonna call you, I'm sure. All right, and what else you have quickly?
Yes, I have the dandelion.
Dandelion powder.
Yes.
All right, I know about that.
Yes, it cleans the kidney. It detox the kidney and clean the kidney. Whatever clean the kidney, clean the entire system.
All right.
Yes.
Soursop powder.
Soursop powder.
Search me hard powder.
Yes, yes.
Papaya and roasted seed powder.
Yes,
Yeah, what kind of bird? What's that? Burdock?
Burdock, yes. It take the burdock detox you, purify your blood and take off weight. So you lose weight.
Okay. Alright, so these are your flagship products.
Yes, yes.
Hold on, you have one more. Pomegranate.
Yes.
Pomegranate we call it.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So what is it? The fruit? Is it a fruit or the leaf?
It's the seed and the ox.
Oh. Or you dry it and crush it?
Yes.
Alright, and this is good for what?
It's beneficial for prostate, diabetes, you name it.
Alright.
It's a powerful herbs.
Quickly, alright. So FCC is doing an excellent job promoting you guys.
Yes.
What do you want to say to them?
I want to tell them, big up themselves. Thanks to you all. Thanks to especially Miss Smith. And if you want to contact me, contact me at 781-3724.
And remember, people are watching from overseas. So tell them the full 876.
781-3724.
Alright.
Whatever it is, you can give me a call.
Alright.
The company, Quarry's Better Body.
Quarry's Better Body. You must, well, you're looking at your things for me, sir. You have to try your eye them bright like moonshine.
Thank you.
The products must work.
Very.
All the best. And you have it here on Instagram?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Yeah.
But your phone number is there so they can reach you.
Right.
Big up my friend.
Big up.
All right. From my neck of the woods. Guys, see here, Miss Watkins, Rasta lady. She's all over the place, man. She has, what is this? Pineapples and the original roots, and of course the other awesome products.
And the turmeric and the ginger powder.
Yeah, all of these.
All-purpose spices.
And the man, and the
breadfruit flour.
The original breadfruit flour and the
charcoal. For inflammation, if you have ulcer stomach, it's good for it. And they purify your water with the charcoal. And we have coconut oil. Not the cold press one, the one that is burnt.
And the jackfruit seed powder.
Yes.
Alright, awesome. Are you making bulla here, sister?
Yes, this is my sister there.
Hold on a second.
These are peanut bullas.
No man, hold on a second. Man.
And these are peanut crunch. Right.
Yeah,
this is gizzard and a different style.
Oh, what you say?
Yes.
This is the Rasta style?
Yes, of course.
You're a Rasta too?
You don't see?
No, you don't know you're a Rasta.
Yes,
the one that see that we see that. No, oh yeah, alright. Alright, so this is
And I'm Empress Janet.
Empress Janet. I'm pleased to meet you, Empress Janet.
Blessed love.
Yeah, man. Alright, so these are some all Rasta made Jamaican food, but with a Rasta flavor.
Natural.
Alright, all happening here, guys. All
Never
happening.
go old.
The Rasta never grow old. Yeah, these are the Rasta never grow old. You remember her, Miss Watkins?
Right.
Her video is in the link. Watkins, yes. Watkins, yes. Alright, we forgot to taste hold on, we forgot to taste a bulla, yeah, man. Hold on. Peanut bulla.
Yes, peanut
Alright.
bulla. Peanut crunchy, very nice.
Alright. Huh?
This one is for you, my dear.
No, I feel told, huh? No, I must buy the bulla, make you taste it. And when me ask if you're patty and give me none, you turn it back on me. Eh? Me still a give you a dog. I mean, I have good mind. Yes. Huh? Uh-huh. Yeah, man, we're gonna try the bulla, man.
Here, this is your peanut bulla. Enjoy.
So this is the peanut bulla, guys. Rastafarian flavor style. This is peanut bulla. Alright, so peanut bulla.
Yes. It's some natural flour, breadfruit flour.
What kind of flour? The breadfruit flour?
And peanut.
The breadfruit, Miss Watkins, the breadfruit flour?
Breadfruit flour, oat flour, peanut,
Oh, you put other flour in there?
breadfruit flour,
Uh-huh.
breadfruit flour,
So hold on, no man, so breadfruit flour, and what kind of flour? Breadfruit flour, oat flour. So no regular flour in this. Alright guys, so this, you have never seen anything like this. I'm gonna have it. Breadfruit flour, oat flour, and peanut. Here, my friend, here. Look here, the bulla and a piece. I'm a friend. She can eat the bulla. How it is?
Yeah, for certain things.
Nah, not true. But it tastes good, friend. Seriously. So this is breadfruit, oats, peanut. Good, boy. Big up the rest of them. Them really innovative. Miss Watkins. I'll have a link in the description, guys. This is the old bulla, but she have a different style and flavor to it. Big up Miss Watkins. Run into another interesting lady here, guys, and this is
My name is Anne-Marie Sinclair.
Anne-Marie Sinclair. What do you have today?
Anne-Marie Sinclair do natural coconut oil, and the natural coconut oil is good for memory. It is good for the aging of the skin. It is good for your hair, and also for the persons who, you know, sometimes they have the heel cracked and dry.
I confess I have that.
Yeah, you can purchase a bottle of coconut
A bottle?
oil. Yeah, or, you know.
No, the skin is so bad.
And you can use the coconut oil, and in like a week or so, the crack will be gone.
Huh?
Yes.
What you saying? There's a miracle product, man.
Yes.
Alright, well share how people can get in touch with you.
Well, I am located in Content, Darliston. My number is 306-5092.
You have also you're in Jamaica, so it's 876, obviously. All right.
Yes.
Awesome. All the best. You have drops too?
That's Gizzardo.
Gizzardo. Sorry.
Yes.
You have Gizzardo?
Yes.
So the Gizzardo is just a bonus.
The Gizzardos are not bonus. Yes.
But it's coconut, obviously you use.
Yes, you use the coconut.
All right. All the best, my
Thank
friend.
you.
This stuff here, guys, looks like crochet. I hope I'm right. Crochet. I see. This looks like hat shoes. Bikini. Bad suits. And this is a lady. Tell me about that. Is it crochet?
Yes.
And you did it? You do it?
Yeah.
Tell me some of the products you have here.
Well, I have bath suits. We have crochet shoes for ladies. We have bags to go along with it. We have blouse. that goes with the bath suit.
Uh-huh.
We have blouse without the bath suit.
Uh-huh. Jamaica color.
Yes, Jamaica color. In the shoes, you can get any color you wish. But people mostly specialize in Jamaica color.
Let me stop. So you make these stuff, eh?
Yeah.
This must be, and so this is not just crusher, but it's crusher shoes.
Yes, and I put on the bottom myself.
Yeah, man, but tell me, I mean, how you come up with this kind of idea, man? Where did you learn to do this?
I just think about it.
And it happened?
Yes.
No, well, a little more than think. But good job.
What is yours is yours.
Good job, good job, good job. And but I must again, I say, you don't have enough for men.
Right.
So you have to go fix that, you know.
Yes, okay.
Or maybe it's because women's stuff sells more, is it? Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So how long you in the business, and how long are you gonna continue?
Well, I'll continue it until I die.
Okay. How long are you in it?
About 20 years now.
20 years.
Yeah, but
and it's a little bread.
It's a little up and down sometimes.
Okay, but it's your livelihood.
Yes.
Okay, and it works.
Yes.
Lovely stuff, lovely stuff. Hold them up again, and I mean, you were showing me off camera one of the bikini something. So show me viewers one nice one. Show this one. Oh yeah. So show us how it works.
Can show him from one of it. I'll show him how it works.
I thought there were some small hats, but you know they are bikini. No, don't laugh at me. Don't laugh. Okay, so that's how it works.
Yes.
All right. Lovely. It must take a lot of time, though, sister.
Yes, man.
Okay. Well, all the best. How can people get in touch?
Yeah.
If people are interested in any of your products, how do they get them?
Well, my number is 817 46 67.
876. We're in Jamaica, so it's 876 817.
Yes. 46 67.
Awesome. I hope you're teaching a granddaughter the trick of the trade.
Yeah, man, she's in the business.
She can do it too?
Yes.
Is any product here that she did?
Yeah, man.
So
she did these.
What? She did these?
Yes.
The granddaughter, oh, you're not saying nothing, man. You're so quiet. You're shy? Oh, you make an ackee too? You have ackee?
Yeah.
So what is this ackee for? What is it?
Like you're driving, you have it tied.
Oh, in the car?
In the car.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah.
All right.
So when the person order now, we make more.
You make more?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
What's your name again?
Pele. Yes.
As in the footballer Pele?
The name of the product is Pele's Comfort.
Pele's Comfort.
Yes.
And your name?
Ruth Calville.
Yes. Out of Westmoreland, Jamaica.
Yes, Burn Savanna.
All the best.
Yes.
All the best, my friend.
Yes,
all
same
the best.
to you.
Happiness is not by chance, but by choice. Jim Rohn. You're promoting Jim Rohn? You're promoting happiness? Or you're promoting some Jamaican products?
No, we just love Jim Rohn is one of our motivational speakers.
Oh, lovely.
Most time that
He's mine too. He's mine, yeah man. Alright, so what do you have here, sister?
Okay, we have been some wristlets, and we have clutch. We also have some gift items.
Clutch?
Yes, clutch purse.
It's like a purse. Okay.
Right. And we have some small coin purse. You can put your little small changes in it. Right. And we have nice. This is hot and cold tumbler. You can keep your hot stuff in it for over 7 hours, or your cold stuff for over 7 hours, and it's still there.
And you make that?
Yes, my daughter.
Your daughter?
Right. So this one you can have your coat, your favorite coat, and then you can have your picture on it as well. So this is a hot and cold tumbler. And these down here now is the cold. It's the cold one. This is a cold cup. Right. And it's the same thing that can be done with this. It can be done with this also.
Okay.
Right.
Alright. I see some little
right. These are letter key rings. Whatever initial you have, or you have and you want to give a gift, you can get the person. Okay. And we also do graduation.
You make these? You make these?
Yes. Yes, we do.
Sort of a mold, from a mold or something?
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. Cool.
So these we are promoting at this time. We are promoting graduation plaques. So you can have your picture. You can choose to have your graduation picture here, and whatever you want to say to the person.
Oh, nice.
Right.
Nice.
So we have them in 8x10.
They have all kind of little gift items and stuff.
Right, and we have them in 5x7.
Awesome.
They can be done with picture or no picture at all.
Alright.
And we also have some Jamaican brooch. And we have some motivational quotes on it as well. These were done, some of these were done for Children's Day for our school.
Okay.
So we brought along some of them.
Oh, nice. Because where is your daughter here?
No, she's home doing some work to be delivered.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
Alright, all the best. What's the name of your company?
Valtas JA.
Sorry?
Valtas JA. You can also be found on Facebook and Instagram. Same Valtas.
Okay, is there a number just in case for those people who not so much?
463-2276.
463-72.
463-2276.
Awesome. I have a question I typically ask. I haven't asked much people yet, but I'm going to ask you. What makes Jamaica special?
The variety.
Variety.
The variety of stuff that we promote.
And you definitely have it here.
Yes,
definitely have it here.
We also have some food stuff.
I see that.
Right.
I see that.
Yeah, a variety of food stuff and clothes.
And clothes. They have a little thing.
So
it's like a little gift. Like a gift shop. Give every little thing.
Yes.
Shop. Alright. All the best to
Thank you very much.
Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Oh, these are all homemade, handmade, Jamaican made sauces and seasonings. And this is a face. Here's a representative of it. It's called Enon
seasoned to the bone.
Enon seasoned to the bone. Right? And I'm gonna ask this nice lady, the boss man is not here, but she's a very able representative. She's gonna tell me a little bit about the product that you have here. What are some of the, so tell me, I see a whole range.
That we have here, we have a range of 3 different flavors. You see on our sign up here, we have mild, hot and so hot. It's a ready-to-eat sauce that you can use and can be eaten with anything like chips, sausage, mackerel, sardines. But you can also use this sauce to season your meat and your fish as well.
Awesome. Alright, so tell me what's special about this particular sauce. I'm going to talk about the other products that you have. What's special about this sauce? And I see the boss man just walking.
What's special about this sauce is that it's one of a kind. It's once you taste it, you can't change from eating it. It's the best.
Alright, I'm tempted to ask you. I hear an accent. Is that a British accent?
I am a British Jamaican.
Alright, welcome home.
Thank you very much.
Alright, and you're making yourself productive. Very good.
I am. So, but you can get the sauce by calling 791-1598. You can order the sauce at any time.
876. And you're on Instagram?
Yep, on Instagram, Enon the Jerk Specialist.
Alright. Alright, now tell me a little about the other products that you have. So, I see a whole, it's not just one product you have here. So, this is Mr.
Enon season for the boy.
This is the boss?
Yeah.
Alright, so tell me about the other products you have here.
We have one called Dip and Jerk. Dip and Jerk.
Can we see that?
No, we don't have that one here.
All right.
That one is like, you have to keep in the refrigerator.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so that one is like, you can
special
buy
order.
Yeah, you can buy a chicken and you just clean it up and make it soak for 30 minutes to make it drain and drain out the blood water. And you just dip and you're ready to jerk.
Wow.
Yeah.
Alright.
So we even specialize in a jerk pan and them something. So we even sell jerk pan and stuff. So if you're interested, if you have your own jerk pan,
cool. We
provide it and stuff. So we even catering weddings, a party and all events, baby shower, any little thing in catering, we are there. Yeah.
Ready for that?
Yes.
Alright. That's interesting. So this is all Jamaican made products, right?
Yeah, this is Jamaican
ingredients.
Yeah, truly Jamaican.
What are some of the ingredients? And don't tell me proprietary stuff, but what are the main?
Natural herbs and spice. So you know natural herbs are the pimento and the garlics and the natural tomato. Yeah, and the spice. Yeah, pepper is a spice.
Yeah. From same place here in Westmoreland.
Yeah, man, and St. Elizabeth.
St. Elizabeth, okay.
Yeah. Good. You know the herbs is come from different places.
Yes.
So anywhere the herbs are, we are chasing it, the herbs.
So this is one product you have here then?
Yeah, we're ready to eat sauce today.
Ready to eat sauce, that's what you're promoting.
Yeah, this making Witton, Jamaica, Westmoreland.
What's the name of the company again?
Enon Season to the Bone.
Enon Season to the Bone, okay.
Yeah.
All the best, man, all the best. Good job. What makes Jamaica special? I forgot to ask you.
Truly Jamaican, man. Jerk, man. Jerk #1, man. Yeah, man. Jerk and red stripe, man, Jamaica gone.
Alright, boss.
Oh, general.
Big up. And the familiar face, guys, the familiar face. A familiar face. This is my friend again. You might have remember her from the Montpellier show, Natural Juice Smoothies. Right, and this actually, I learned that this is your place, my friend.
Yes, I'm originally from Grange.
Originally from Grange. This is home for you.
Yes.
And again, you sell blends. So.
Yes. So today we're doing a fruit smoothie. We have pineapple, we have mangoes, we have bananas, we have some ginger. You can get a green juice. We have callaloo and the cooler in here, and kale. We have cucumber. Without turmeric. We have ginger, we have China thyme, we have some sweet basil here that you can put in your green juice as well, and some pumpkin seeds. And of course, if you want a meal in a cup, which is what some persons call it, you'll have flaxseed, chia, pumpkin seed, peanut, oats, banana, and that's your shake for the day.
That's a shake for the day.
Yeah.
No, this Chinese, we call it like Chinese.
China thyme, that's what I hear
China
persons call
thyme.
it.
Yeah, man, I thought it was just wild stuff, man. But it's good stuff.
It's very good.
It's good stuff.
It's very good.
Nice. All the best, my guy. Remember to remind that my viewers again how they can contact you. Remember her, guys, from the Montpellier video. She's a sweetheart, and remember she give me juice too. She's also a subscriber, one of my biggest fans.
If you'd like me to come and blend for you at an event, you can reach me at my telephone number 504-9562.
Awesome. And you're on Instagram too, I remember, right?
Yes, I'm on Instagram as well. So you just look for natural juice.
Natural juice?
Yes.
Natural juice, that's the handle.
Alright, well on IG it's Hot Wraps and Blend Up. Yes, and that's the other location that's in Freeport, Montego Bay, by where the call centers are.
Awesome.
So that's Hot Wraps and Blend Up.
Hot Wraps and Blend Up.
On
One day
Instagram,
blend up. One day
yes.
blend up. We have quite a number of state agencies here, including the Heart Trust. And we have representatives here, nice lady here, gentleman here. Why are you here today, sir?
Well, as part of the Westmoreland agencies, whatever they are having, we are part of it. And we play a mighty big role in the movement of the people, moving them from inactivity to higher levels of activity, from lack of skill to higher levels of trained, certified and employable people. So where people are that need training, here is Heart NSTA Trust.
Okay, excellent. So somebody walks, a gentleman, a young man walking here now. What do you do or say to them?
Well, we first find out what is it that he wants. Is he certified? Is he trained? Is he looking employment? What qualification he has, and see how we can guide him in the direction that he needs to go.
So you might provide training. You might just give general information. Do you have apprenticeship program still? I remember
apprenticeship program, on-the-job training, institution training, CXCs, and a number of other.
I hear you do certifications as well for people who are already trained.
Already skilled and have no certificate. So it depends on what the individual wants. So having inquired what they want, then we know how to guide them to get where they need to go.
Heart Trust NSTA.
NSTA.
Heart Trust NSTA. Oh, the name has changed too?
Yes. Remember, we merged with Jamaican Foundation for Lifelong Learning and the National Youth Service, and we moved from National Training Agency to National Service and Training Agency.
Awesome. Heart Trust is doing a wonderful job. I want to salute you, your superiors, and the entire Heart Trust organization. You know, if there's somebody watching and probably for some strange reason don't know about Heart or the services you provide, and they want to reach out to you, is there a number or an Instagram or something they can reach Heart Trust at?
They can go online, and we are there. The national number, we have a one national number right now. My brain is not calibrating the number right now.
But let's go online and look for Heart Trust. Look for Heart Trust NTA.
What? 994 32 78.
Go ahead, Chief.
994-3278.
Okay.
And the parish office, our extension is 28,000.
Okay.
And our office is at 6 Rose Street.
Savanna, Westmoreland.
Savanna, Westmoreland.
All right.
So they can come there anytime and get any information that they want.
Okay, so for training and employment, anything related to that,
employment,
you guys can
career
help.
development,
Development.
community training,
On-the-job
anything
training.
once it requires certification and training. Hard NSP.
Big up here. What's your name, sir?
I'm Everton Dixon.
Mr. Dixon, big up and? Yes, big up. All the best, all the best. Thank you so much.
Bless you.
Very, very interesting displays here, guys, in Grange Hill, Jamaica, put on by the SDC, and this is the lady behind it, Miss Stevenson, right?
Yes, sir.
Wow. Congratulations on your initiative.
Thank you. Thank
And
you so much.
and for the endeavor. I mean, I see it's the idea that you're promoting local people and giving them access to agencies and stuff.
Right, so the whole idea is that we want to bring the social agencies closer to the communities. So sometimes persons find it hard to leave from home to make it to Sub, which should have been the capital for the parish, to access the different social programs that are there. Not only that, some may not even be aware of what the programs are that's available. So the idea then is to bring it to the community space so that persons can be more aware of what exists.
And it seems this is kind of novel. Is it? Well, certainly for me, it's the first I'm hearing about. I'm seeing something like this where I've seen SDC do a lot of programs in sports and so on, but bringing communities, I mean business people and social agencies together in one space in a rural community, right? Because it's Grange Hill. It's kind of new to me. Is it something?
It's something that we've done before.
Okay.
Some persons may be aware of what we call a business fair. You might see a social service fair separate from a business fair. What we try to do here is to combine both.
Okay.
So we not only have the social agencies available here today, but we brought in some of the local economic initiatives, the grassroots businesses to this space. One of the other things that we tried to capitalize on was to bring in some of the agencies too that can support these businesses. So you might have seen Bureau of Standards or NRCA at this point actually having a little capacity building sessions with some of these agents, with some of these businesses. Some of them produce items that are for consumption, so we want to ensure that they meet the standard that is set by government. So of course we try to create a network so that these businesses can also get an understanding as to what are the steps that they need to take to become compliant. So we would have had victim services support. We have Red Cross here with us supporting us as well today. Bureau of Standards, as I would have indicated earlier, Heart Trust NSTA was here promoting their whole program. We had a couple of persons that would have registered for summer employment, so they are here with us today as well. So I think in total we have a total of 10 agencies here with us, and in terms of the local businesses, we also have 10 of those with us today.
And growing, because a lady just walked in.
Yes, and growing, definitely.
That's lovely,
Definitely.
that's lovely. What's your name again?
Karine Stevens.
And you are the?
Parish Manager for SDC Westmoreland.
Congratulations.
Thank you,
again, and all the best. When is the next big thing?
The next fair will be in the next quarter. We haven't tied down a date yet, but we'll let you know definitely. Definitely let you know.
All right.
And thanks again for the support.
All the best. My pleasure.
You,
my pleasure. Good things need to be highlighted, you know?
That is true.
Yeah, man. All the best.
Indeed. Thanks again.
All right.
yes. Give it up for them one more time. Everybody just say peace and what we want after 3. 1, 2, 3. Peace and what we want. Alright, that's it from the Grange students. Make sure to take them pictures, you know.
That's it, my friend. SCC's Social Services and Entrepreneurship Expo in the rural community of Grange Hill here in Westmoreland, Jamaica. I'd love to hear from you. What jumped out at you? That roots wine, that dig it up roots wine, took the show for me though. I had some, and right now I'm bubbling with energy. So that jumped out at me. I'd love to hear from you. Tell me what jumped out at you, and share it in the comments below. But remember, so I do a lot of videos. Lots more videos like these. Call it The Real Jamaica. So hop across and check the rest of my videos out. You'll enjoy them. See you on the other side.